rMortgage Canada is a concierge mortgage lending referral service for charter members and fans of rNetwork. rMortgage Canada is excited to announce our exclusive partnership with Matrix Mortgage Global, a two-time Canadian Mortgage Professionals Brokerage of the Year winner and Maclean's Magazine Growth 500 list recipient. We are making it simple and easy to apply for a mortgage without ever leaving your home or office. Replace the high-pressure salespeople and high commissions with a warm and professional rMortgage Canada concierge. Your concierge is committed to helping you find the best mortgage solution possible for your needs. Each person and situation is unique. You tell your concierge what you're looking for, and they will structure a customized lending solution just for you. They'll work hard to provide you the best lending options for your situation at a budget that you can afford. Now for the best part. Due to lending regulations in Canada, rNetwork was able to structure exclusive savings and commissions for every loan that closes in your network through rMortgage Canada. This means that the commissions will be paid up the TBS for 12 full months on loans closed in your network. rNetwork, the bigger we get, the better it gets.